everyone. I am a faculty member of the Department of Regional Water Studies at the Terry School of Advanced Studies and also the program coordinator for our two programs, MTech Water Resource Engineering and Management and MSc Water Science and Governance. I am standing in front of this beautiful lake and talking to you to remind all of us the importance of water in urban setting. Incidentally, this is an urban lake in Bangalore. The reason why we seem to be forgetting our lakes, our urban ecosystems, is because of the water that we get in our taps, and the water sources are far away. It is important that we understand the linkages between surface water and groundwater. We understand the entire ecosystem, how it survives because of the water, and the water is there because of this ecosystem. So with this background, I will tell you a little bit more about the courses. The MTech program in the first semester has foundation courses which are like hydrology, advanced hydraulics, stochastic modeling, and we also have courses on institution and governance. The reason being that this is an interdisciplinary course where the students are engineers of various backgrounds and students who have pursued masters, MSc in physics, mathematics, they are eligible for this course because each one is passionate about water and wants to contribute to this field. So this is a program which allows such passionate students to take up this program of MTech Water Resources Engineering and Management and contribute. That is the reason the course has certain foundation courses so that all can learn the basics of water, and then in the second semester we go on and have a program on modeling courses like water optimize, where they learn water optimization techniques, water quality modeling. There is a course on industrial pollution in the third semester. There is a course on design of water and wastewater systems in the second semester. There is a course on geoinformatics for advanced water resources, where they learn the geoinformatic techniques and the application using modeling techniques for water, and they understand that groundwater and surface water are linked, and that is why if there is sufficient rainfall, then there will be more water, but the hydrological channels to the lake is important. And if the groundwater table is depleting, the lake will not survive because the groundwater needs this, it kind of pulls the surface water, the lake system, and that is why the lake system dries. So there are some very sensitive mechanisms which are at work and which we need to understand at the micro level, at the watershed level, at the urban level. When we see a series of cascading lakes in a city, we sometimes forget that they might just be interconnected and that they are connected with the groundwater. So we also have a course on groundwater hydrology and pollution contamination, so which looks at those aspects. And often the science needs a policy interface, and that is the reason we have courses like water planning, and we have also incidentally a very unique course where even we look at gender and equity in terms of water, because women play a very large role in conserving water when we look at the watershed level as well as at the rural level, and that is the reason that also needs to be understood. And that is the background at which I am talking to you about the MTech program in Water Resource Engineering and Management. After the first two semesters, in the third semester there is a major project 1 in which they mostly take up in-house research projects, the applied projects, so they learn applied research techniques. And then in the fourth semester they go for their major project 2, and that is something that they can take up in-house or work in the industry, so that they get first-hand experience as to how they can work in the industry, in the think tanks, in NGOs, and they can contribute to these projects, and that helps them to become a water professional. So the admissions, of course, there is a procedure for admissions, and you can go through our website and see that. So this is a program which has been running for the past 5 years now, and it started in 2014. So we have 5 years of students who have passed out.